The sun shines down with golden rays. Raindrops fall and cleanse the days. Snowflakes drift in gentle dance. Winds of change, they take a chance. Each season paints a brand new scene. Spring's first bloom to autumn's sheen. From summer's laugh to winter's glow, nature calls, and we all know every weather is a gift. Each one special, just like so. Sunny, windy, rainy days, all in God's own perfect ways. Clouds can cover, look within. Storms may pass and then begin. Even thunder tells a tale. Through it all, love will prevail. Bright or gray, it's all a sign. Nature's rhythm so divine. God is seen in every light. Morning, dawn, or star-filled night. Every weather is a gift.